Man, listen. No one ever told me that fatherhood was this ghetto. Alright, so listen, in today's video, I might sound like trash, and that's because I'm getting over a cold that was caused by my daughter, and then my wife got it, and then I get it, and so now I'm just congested and blowing boogers, you know, everywhere. But it does not take away from today. Alright, because today is an exciting day. Today is new clipper day. Alright, so you guys might know a company named StyleCraft, alright, and they had dropped a clipper, a video of a clipper about 8 months ago, and everyone got super excited, couldn't wait for it to come out. And recently I just got them. Alright, shout out to StyleCraft for sending over the StyleCraft Pro Instinct trimmer, and not one but two. They also sent the clipper. So I'm super excited to show you guys how they look and how they sound. So let's get into it. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the clipper first. So as always, StyleCraft is pretty nice, you know, packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it comes with a red, a blue, and a black top for the clipper. You know, I like to change my hats all the time, so I know I like to change how my clippers look pretty frequently if I have the option. And they come with a new updated charging base. All right, the old ones had the white StyleCraft logo with the all black charging base, and this one comes with the gold trim, which I think is super clean. So let's go ahead and take the clipper out. I think in the box it comes with the red one attached, so let's go ahead and take that out, if I can even get it out. So this is the Instinct. So I'm not gonna lie, at first glance these are very small clippers. And I didn't know how I would feel about them, right? But after using them, the petiteness and how small it is really helps with cutting hair, man. These allow me to get haircuts done personally a lot faster than other clippers. And not to mention, man, these are some pretty powerful clippers. I know this is a new motor from anyone they've ever dropped. It is a vector motor. Now what I'm not gonna do is act like I know what the difference is. All right, I know it's a different motor, but I don't know really what a vector motor does. So let's look at the back. Let's see if we can find some answers. So it says, I never read the box, I'm really doing it for you guys. So it says the vector motor offers an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute with unstoppable power, providing highly optimized bulk removal in one pass. And after using these clippers, I can testify to that. Man, these mow through hair like no other clipper I've ever used. And yeah, man, I could just cut with them all day. They last a really long time charge-wise. Bro, these right here have been my go-to since I got them about a week and a half ago. Let me go ahead and turn them on for you guys so you can hear how they sound. Let's do it again. So they're pretty quiet. Let's see how long they stay quiet for, because what I tend to notice is clippers always come pretty quiet, but after a few months and after some use is when you start to see them get louder and louder and louder. So we'll see after a few months how these start to sound. But yeah, man, StyleCraft Instinct clippers are definitely the truth. I love these. I think they really did their things with these. I can tell they put their time and their effort into crafting these together. Really love these clippers. So if you're looking to get them, 10 out of 10, recommend them. Let's look what else is in the box. So as I had mentioned, they do come with other lids to them. Let's go ahead and pop these out. So we got the blue, and then we got the black, all right? And I don't know, man, I'm really in between because I really like this red and I really like this blue. So this is the red and that is the blue. All right, and then you make your choice. I don't know, I think I might flip-flop in between both, but I think I'm gonna keep the red on for now. Super clean. I like that StyleCraft is really one of the only companies that offer different color lids, which I think is super dope. So that's pretty cool. They come with white guards, right? And the other boxes, they come with black guards. So white is definitely pretty dope. I never had white guards before. And then they come with different color levers, a charger, and a USB option. So now let's get into the trimmer. So boom, we got our trimmer. Same packaging, same delivery, which I really like. Let's go ahead and take these out. So the trimmers come with the red lid on them as well in the box. So this is the trimmer. And as you can see, man, I'm gonna show you the clipper in comparison to this trimmer. These babies are about the same size, which goes to show that the clipper is very small, all right? They look exactly the same, except one doesn't have a lever, and obviously the blades are different. But from using these trimmers, these are super powerful, all right? I know when I first got these, I was wondering how they would, you know, compare to the sabers, which they're pretty similar in body and build and size. But so far, I'm really liking these a lot better for some reason. I don't know if it's because the way I have these set, but for some reason, the Instincts hit way harder to me. If you're looking to get a trimmer, these are definitely two good options, but in my preference so far, these have been it. Let's go ahead and turn these on as well so you can hear them. They sound pretty much the same as the clipper. And then obviously you have the option for the the blue or black lid cover, and as well as its own charging station. So as you can see, man, I really like this. The fact that in between clients, you can just pop it right in there. You don't gotta find a cord, plug it in, unplug the cord. You can just take it off, put it right back on. And the charging docks for the clipper and the trimmer are the same, so you can interchange them and they both fit it. So that's the clipper and that's the trimmer. So as far as how much these are hitting for, these are $229.95 and these are $209.95. All right, listen, as far as today when I'm posting this video, they are not fully released, but what you can do today is go ahead and head over to StyleCraft's website and pre-order these, all right? These are definitely a good purchase if you are thinking about getting a new clipper and trimmer. So again, you can pre-order these today on their website. And if you want to see more of how these work, you know, actually cutting hair, make sure you tune into the next couple tutorials that I will be posting. And if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about these clippers. But family, like always, I appreciate you sticking around with my crusty voice. But I will catch you guys next time. Peace.